Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. Today, I'm going on another solo hike. Let's go! These are my absolute favorite hikes to go on, and I'm going to my favorite waterfall, which I haven't seen in a couple years because the trail has been closed, but I found out there's a back way that is legal, just longer. So it's called Maunawili Falls, and it's about, I have to check, but I'm pretty sure it's about 6 miles and takes around 4 hours round trip. And I haven't been on this trail before. And in all my past solo hikes, they've all been hikes that I've done before, so this one's pretty exciting because it'll be a new experience for me and maybe for you too, unless you've done this hike. So it's about a 30-minute drive to a parking spot since there's no actual parking at the trailhead. And then I'll Uber from there to the trailhead and begin the hike. So I'll catch you guys there. Okay, officially made it to start of the trail. Bah! There's chickens, there's moss, and there's jungle, so let's get going. Oh, there's a kitty. I don't know if I got that. I was planning on beginning the hike at about 8 a.m., but there were many delays, so it's 9 a.m. This is our last peak at civilization before we go into the forest. Beautiful forest. I wish I was joking when I say I just saw a naked man. Yep. Not 2 minutes in, butt cheeks. Don't worry, I have a knife, and I'm not afraid to use it. Oh, that's taro leaves. Wow. I found some strawberry guava, and it looks eatable. Come here. Oh, dang it. Come here. Let's take one. Focus on the... no! Oh, I got it. Strawberry guava. Tastes like a strawberry. I guess that's why they call it strawberry guava. There's a lot. Like all that right there. There's even like a big one right here. Can't reach. Do it. I can do it. I got it. Come to mama. Just a couple. What I'm really liking about this trail so far, aside from the free fruits, is how open it is. Lots to look at. I am just about a touch past the 1 mile point. I'm gonna look for a good spot to have a water/snack break. So I accidentally locked in, and now we're over halfway to the falls, which is great because despite being in the shade, I'm getting pretty sweaty, and I'm very much looking forward to swimming in the waterfall. So far I only ran into one other hiker, aside from the dude with his butt cheeks out in the beginning. I really don't know what that was all about. I think I'm just gonna have some water for now. All right, onward. Here's a little fit check. My new favorite pants to hike in from Gymshark. Cargo's survival pack from Osprey. My boots are Columbia. The boots have seen better days. Oh. We are approaching the descent into the falls. Pretty sure that's Mount Olamana Trail. That's the first peak, second and third. Or is it the opposite way? First, second, third. Yeah. Here we are. Down we go. This is why these pants are the best. If I was wearing shorts right now, this would not be fun. Chat, is this majestic? New biome just dropped. This one looks like a taiga biome. We even have the sweet berries. Where's the foxes? Oh. That's a wasp. Hi. Hey. All right, nap time's over. I think I can hear the waterfall. Here we go. Ba, 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 ba. Water. So the waterfall is upstream. Either that way or that way. I think this way. Whee! Now this is where my feet might get a little wet. I might just have to dunk it. Okay, I made it. I'm very happy I didn't get lost or kidnapped, and most of all, I'm very happy that no one else is here. So, I'm going to jump off after I take off my pants. And I'll film a little hop off the waterfall. I'm so excited, and yeah, I'll just calm down now. But That took me forever, but I did it. Okay. I don't know how well you can hear me with the waterfall, but I was so scared for whatever reason up there. It's a little nerve-wracking making the jump, but so worth it. I am getting some bug spray out now because I got a few bites. And we want to stay protected from the mosquitoes. This is DEET-free bug repellent. And now I can enjoy my snacks. So it's about noon right now. Not bad. I definitely took my time getting here. I'll be a little bit faster getting back. But my goal is to get back to my car. Not the trailhead, because the trailhead, I had to Uber there. So get back to my car by 2:30. I think I can do it. I also brought extra socks because my socks are soggy now. So we got fresh socks for the hike back and brought a towel. The water's cold. Colder than it looks. The swim over is what I imagine an ice bath feels like, where you're like, yep. There's little fishies. All right, well, it's about time to make the journey back. My phone is almost dead, so trying to preserve battery on there, and feeling really happy. I'm glad this hike worked out, considering I haven't done it before. Say bye. Bye, waterfall. I'll be back. So anyway, got my clothes back on, got the fresh socks on, so I'm ready to go. Just gotta not fall on the way back, and I'll consider it a success. As you would expect, this is a lot easier going down. That's okay. Wow. I bet when it rains, there's waterfalls all down those crevices. That must be a beautiful sight. It really feels like I'm just out here in the middle of nowhere, in the best way. Like, this is like a little cliff, and there's just mountain everywhere. Well, then there's this big bush, but endless mountain. Okay, we made it back here, and I could really go for a nap right about now. That looks comfy. But alas, we march on, which is fine. This whole portion of the hike is really flat, so it'll be nice going back. Maybe I just need water. Some rain's coming in. Little drizzles. It's It's raining now, boys and girls. Picking up a little bit. Not really, but enough to want to safely store my camera in my bag until further notice. Until further notice. As I suspected, it's much faster going back. So I'm already about halfway to the starting point, but my phone's at 7%. So I think I hear people. I do hear people. Anyway, airplane mode. We're locking in. I just need enough juice to call an Uber so I can get home. But the drizzling stopped. I can faintly hear cars in the distance from the highway. So we're almost out of here. And final moments, I'm just really hoping I don't see that naked guy. Like, please, dude, put some clothes on and go home. Made it back. Waiting for my Uber now. I did it! Don't mind my dusty... Oh, shoot. I did it! A little past 2:30, but in my defense, the Uber kind of took a little while. The Uber... It was the Uber. I promise. But... Anyway, feeling a little bit soggy, and a little bit hungry, and a little bit tired, but very happy. For reference, I was hiking, let's see, what time did I start? Let me check. 9 a.m. and it's 2:30 now. But I did take my time. Definitely could have hung out at the waterfall for another hour, but I want to get home before traffic gets really bad, so that's that. If you live in Hawaii and you want to do this hike, I totally recommend it. Make sure you take the trail that's not closed, which is Maunawili Trail via Pali Highway. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and lift, laugh, love. I know that's a lot of things, but that's all I ask of you. Alright. Okay. Alright. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.